back to the Corner Faster Get Fast series. We're at Lime Rock Park in the Porsche Cayman GT4. We're taking 50 laps to get up to speed using iRacing Simulator. In this video, laps 31, 32, and 33, we focus on unwinding the steering wheel. Previously, we learned the layout, how to look ahead, use the whole track, drive at the limit. We worked out gear selection, shaping each corner, getting on and off the brakes, getting on the throttle, and most recently, turning the wheel, especially getting to the maximum effective steering input in each corner. Assuming that we're actually nailing each of those steps and rotating the car into each corner and making sure to get to maximum steering input at the slowest and sharpest point of each corner, we want to focus on unwinding the wheel, and we're focused on two things. One, keeping the car pointed up the track as much as possible, especially just after the point of reaching maximum steering input. We want to take most advantage of that grip for as long as possible from the slowest point of the corner through the apex. Eventually, as we pick up momentum, we're not going to be able to maintain as sharp of a rotation and steering angle without sacrificing sliding and scrubbing on exit. So really, that's what we want to try to focus on in this particular exercise. The second side of unwinding the steering wheel, besides trying to unwind really as little as possible just after reaching its, our maximum point of steering input, is overall to unwind as quickly as possible so we can get power down. And this contradiction creates a balancing point for the ideal exit, and is probably why it's so tricky to find the perfect exit out of any particular corner, because we need to keep the car pointed up track for a period of time, but then also unwinding the wheel for a clean, scrubless, eventually minimum slip exit on the way out. So it's at this phase that we need to experiment with that trade-off between pointing the car up the track and unwinding the wheel overall. And those are just a couple tips to unwind the wheel and try to incorporate that into the latter portion of each corner. Stick around for the next video, Flat Car, where we focus on minimizing weight transfer to maximize grip, both in our inputs and through each corner around the track.